All excited?
All excited, down to the wire now.
So, did you meet Dámhsa yet?
I did, I actually met him at the Connacht Flat. I had a little fangirl moment.
Right, okay, and how was he?
He's good.
Yes, so, now, you haven't been to Kerry yet, no?
No, well I used to go down to the Oireachtas in Killarney every year, but I've only been in Tralee on holidays.
Okay, so when did you win the Sligo Rose?
Back at Easter on Good Friday. Good Friday.
Well, that's a good one to go, and of course you have to, straight away you're into it, because you have to get ready, you have to get sponsors and all that. Have you a sponsor now, or?
I have some wonderful sponsors on board that have really supported me and got behind me.
Because it's quite costly.
It is, but it's all worth it.
It is. And look, I know we all wish you well here tonight, and the very best of luck as you go forward. And you'll be on the telly with Dámhsa.
Yes, I will, sir.
I'm sure you'll have to tell him about the O'Carroll Festival.
I have already.
Well, tell him about the door dancing. I can imagine him door dancing here some night.
He'll only encourage me to dance in a door in Tralee.
Well, we could get that organised too, no problem at all. Look, you're going to do a bit of dancing for us tonight.
I will, yeah,
okay.
No problem.
Before you, I mean, the Rose of Tralee thing now is taken out off in every county, and I chaired the Roscommon one for 4 years. We brought it in there because Anthony O'Gara, the chief executive, is a Scrammo man, like myself, and he's really turned that around, hasn't he?
He has, he's wonderful, he puts so much work into it, it's unbelievable.
Yeah, and of course it brings a lot of money to Kerry.
It sure does.
I have to get it back up to Roscommon, bring that Rose back up to Roscommon as well. Look, Eiméar, the very best of luck from everybody here. Now give a round of applause. You're going to do something on the stage for us, a little bit of dancing. And we wish all the roses from the region the good wishes that they deserve as they head to Tralee. How long has that been going?
5 years. Yeah.
Work with Bríomhar.
Students down there as well.
Look, the very best of luck. Let's hear it once again for Eiméar. The very best of luck.